Hello, everybody. Welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today, I'll be sharing the recipe of the air fried roast chicken, a family favorite. This roast chicken is perfect for Christmas or any special occasion. To begin, take one small whole chicken, make gashes so that the marinade can soak in. To marinate the chicken, in a large bowl, mix together 2 tablespoons curd, 3 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon cumin powder jeera, 1 tablespoon coriander powder dhania, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, juice of 1 lemon, and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix well. Add in the chicken and rub in the marinade well. Marinate for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight. Before cooking, preheat the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Brush the air fryer grill well with oil. Add in the chicken, breast side down. Baste with half of the remaining marinade. Brush it with oil. Cook at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. Turn over the chicken. Baste it with the remaining marinade. Brush it with oil. Cook for another 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or until it colorizes and is well done. The time it takes will depend on the size of the chicken and the air fryer. Let it rest for a few minutes. The air fried roast chicken is ready to serve. Serve with pan roasted root vegetables and lemon slices. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.